Hi, this is Elite Currency. My name is Chris. Today's focus, of course, again on the euro dollar and pound dollar for the last part of this trading week. Before we start though, if you haven't done it already, check out Elite Currency's live trading ECS Live. Here's the link at the top. We have a 2-week free trial starting next week Monday on the 23rd of October. All right, let's take a look at the euro dollar. Live will be also about a live analysis, but live trade setups as well, as we do here on the euro dollar. And I think at this moment, basically, we got the bounce at the 61.8 fib, and it is indeed looking like the bigger ABC that I was thinking that could happen on the euro dollar. That was my most favorite scenario. The other scenario would have been a break below basically 117, and then we should have seen a continuation towards 115. I was looking for, however, a daily candle close near a low below 117-ish, 117.20. That did not happen. We had a wick here, and we had a bullish candle, of course, yesterday. So this is indicating the bounce at the 61.8 fib. We broke above the highs of the last 2 days, so I think we should see some intraday continuation. We do have a trend line here to be aware of, but I think there's a good chance that price will break through that, and we'll see a wave C that could push towards the minus 272 target and the minus 61.8 target. Those areas, by the way, could be a strong resistance spot, specifically the minus 61.8 fib, because of these tops on the left, these highs here, strong resistance, the minus 61.8 target, plus the fact that this could be an ABC, and a C could be finished there, and this could be an entire kind of flat correction, and price could fall back down from that minus 61.8 target to test these bottoms. So that's what I'm expecting at this moment. Let's dive into lower time frames here on the 4-hour chart. We had bullish engulfing twins here, and indeed we got a continuation. On the hourly chart, you can see strong bullish candle the last hour, and I think that this could provide the support needed for a continuation. Let me get rid of this fib that we have on this chart. We know already that price has bounced off the 61.8 fib, so that info we don't need. And let's go back to this hourly chart, and well, I think that basically this support level, the candle low basically with these supports, is going to be very important, because if price stays above it, we can even put a fib from here to here. Let's take a look at the length of this candle. It's about 25 pips. It's okay. Basically, if it bounces at the 78, 61.8 fib, 88.6 fib, I think we'll see some continuation. If it breaks below that, then this could have finished a 5 wave, and we might see an ABC correction. I would then extend this fib from here, from this candle low all the way. Somehow it doesn't react. 1 second. From this candle low, there we go. And I would be looking for probably a bounce at these fibs. It could be anything. If wave 2 can go deep, so it could be really any of these 3 fibs, I think that, or 4 fibs. So we have to see how price responds to these fibs to know which one is most likely. What we also should see in that case is a 3-wave down in that case, and then an upside. All right, if this is a wave 1, 2. So this candle, I think, pretty important at this moment, because if price stays within that range, I think we'll see continuation. If it breaks below it, we should see a bit, bigger correction. But ultimately, I'm bullish, and I think that these fibs or the candle will send it back up. So that's my view at this moment. Of course, we can keep an eye on today's candle too. I mean, if you're looking at daily candles, if today's candle closes anywhere around 119, right, with a good close near the high, yes, I would expect a continuation tomorrow or next week up to the 120 target that I mentioned as well. So that's something to keep an eye on. If you're looking at this video, later on today or tomorrow, this is still something I think that we can keep an eye on as traders for a continuation of this upside. All right. Now, with regard to the pound dollar is a bit of a mix, really. It can go either way. I think it's a difficult read. I don't say this too often. I think that typically, when looking at the market structure, you can find something interesting. With the pound, well, it is a bit of a headache from my point of view. I mean, it definitely bounced clearly off the 61.8 fib. Then again, we are having some clear triangle pattern still, in the sense that, okay, it broke this trend line, right? But it didn't break resistance, and we still have support like this in play. So it really can break both sides. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart to get a little bit more perspective. We had strong upside, we have strong downside, strong upside. So it's really such a mixture that almost just waiting for this triangle to break could be the best play. Now, if it breaks support, then this could still be a wave 5 that can go down to test 130, 129. If it breaks resistance, then we might see a continuation of this and price going up to 134, 135. So it could be the best. In that case, if it does break to the upside, this was probably an ABC, and we're in some bullish structure after that. Whereas if it breaks support, then this could still be technically a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for those that like wave patterns, this is something to think about. So I hope I wasn't talking too fast, but basically the triangle break here, I think, is the key to a bullish or bearish breakout. For the moment, we see that price is bearish. Price broke basically below these lows here, and we had 5-6 candles not breaking this high. But ultimately, I think shorting it here is a bit risky because of the fact that it is in a triangle. It might make a few pips and then still bounce back to the top of this triangle and then just stay in this triangle. So if anyone took a risky short here, maybe, but now it seems a bit late. And I think that ultimately it's in the middle of the triangle. It's not that great, I think, of a structure. And I just rather wait for probably a triangle break on the 4-hour chart. Wait for the break, wait for 4-hour or daily chart, wait for a pattern on the 1 time frame lower, like this, and try to trade the continuation. I think that's going to be my plan for the pound dollar. All right, once again, ECS live trading. Sorry for repeating that, but just want to get the word out there to traders so they don't miss this 2-week free trial. And it starts Monday. It's very soon. So wouldn't want people to miss that. Check it out right here, right now. All right, thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you soon at elitecurrency.com. We got a lot of free stuff there, and wish you all good trading. Cheers.